Good afternoon. How you all doing today? This is Dave here, coming out right now, and I'm I'm actually using my iPhone right now to record this. I'm not using any of my GoPro products or the DJI Osmo Action Cam. I'm using the iPhone for now because I came up with a little problem. I I love blogging. I love doing videos, even though some of my videos are very boring. Um, Damn, I didn't shave today. um, Excuse my shaving. I didn't shave today. I was late for work. Um, I didn't use any of my cameras today. I'm using my iPhone. I haven't been coming out. I haven't posted any more boring videos because of the fact that I've got a computer at home. I've got a laptop at home, actually. It's an Apple laptop, an Apple Pro. It's very, very old. I believe I bought it back in 2008, I believe. 2008, 2009, somewhere around there. Um, Very old computer. It was never meant for 4K video. It was never meant for 4K. It was never meant for 3K either. It was never meant to work on a GoPro product or work on a anything that's involving high speed video. It did its job. It still does its job. I can go out there and film something from the ranch area and still be able to put it to the computer and edit it, and although I can't put too much fancy stuff to make it look nice and real and lifelike, but it's a decent editing. Um, and I'm able to just upload it to YouTube, and and I get a few likes and a few views about it. But I like this. I like expressing myself. I like for people to see what pretty much what I do in my daily life. Um, Except that since I had bought the GoPro Fusion 360, which is that 360 turnaround, where you can actually control it, or I can send you a long video. Um, I had not been able to get it to work on that Apple Apple on that Mac Pro, the laptop. I had another computer. I had a Windows computer, a Asusec, I believe it's called. It's a high performance gaming computer. But then I remembered I bought that one before I bought the Apple. So this is extremely old laptop that I had there. And I tried running it. I I I, I downloaded the Fusion. I'm sorry. I downloaded the GoPro app on the Windows computer, and it wouldn't even recognize my Fusion software. It's still back when there was Windows 8, as far as what I can remember. It's still back when it was Windows 8. Um, as I said, I have no laptop to do any editing. I wanted to do a lot of normal, regular videos with my so normal, regular videos with my Fusion, because this thing has 5.7K. Even though YouTube doesn't do 5.7K, it only does it all the way up to 4K. Um, but still, even under 5.7K, I could easily render this if I had a good computer, and it would still process it through YouTube under 4K. And naturally, you got the GoPro Hero 7 and the DJI Osmo, and I've got that the Mavic Pro Zoom that does 4K also. But the problem is that most of my videos, the videos that I want to upload, are mainly from the drone and from the Fusion 360. The DJI Osmo Action Cam and the GoPro Hero 7, they're nice videos. Don't get me wrong, they're very very nice videos. Especially the DJI Osmo Action Cam has that Rocksteady. Uh, in my opinion, came out a lot better as far as the Rocksteady is concerned, um, in comparison to the GoPro Hero 7. GoPro Hero 7 does have the stabilization, but not as good as the Rocksteady. I guess they did a little bit better. Um, the front screen on the camera on the Osmo Action Cam is nice. It's a good way to align yourself and know that you're right in the middle of the picture in comparison to the GoPro Hero 7 that you have not been able to do something like that. Um, anyways, my main reason to making this video off of my iPhone, because I cannot actually edit it. This is all raw. I'm not editing anything off of there. This is just coming directly to YouTube. If I had 1,000 subscribers, man, I wish I had more subscribers. Not because of the fact that people say that you're making money off of YouTube. I'm not really interested in the money. Uh, YouTube, um, you won't be able to make a living with the money that YouTube pays you. I make a lot more money here, um, mainly because I need subscribers, mainly because of the fact that I can have certain functions that'll work. Like for example, I want to go live on my iPhone. I can't go live on my iPhone. I gotta have at least a minimum of 1,000 subscribers. You know, and I I don't have that, and as much as I wish I could have it, I just don't have it. Anyways, regardless of that fact, I haven't been out on YouTube too much because both my laptops are not working correctly, um, and mainly based on the fact that I want to start uploading video, 360 video, basically. And 360 video, even 5 minutes of video, even 10 minutes of video involving the Fusion 360, by rendering it, you gotta have a good laptop, a good, fast, high performance. I'm talking about maybe 15 to maybe 30 gigabytes of RAM, very high performance motherboard, very good video card. You gotta have something big and high performance in order to render that video. Even though that video is gonna take 12 hours, 12 hours, maybe even more for a 10-minute video. But you're looking at good quality videos coming out of the Fusion 360. So, although I get paid pretty good here at work, I got my bills. I still got bills to pay. Um, I'm slowly saving to buy me something that my little brother said. Buy yourself the Razor Blade laptop. I haven't. I've seen a couple of videos of the Razor Blade laptop, but I haven't actually seen one in person. I think Best Buy might have them, but I wasn't really sure at the fact. But anyways, just wanted to give you this update that I don't have a laptop right now to do my editing, and most of my editing I want it done using the Fusion 360. So I have no computer that's compatible to it. I'm able to do 360 off my iPhone, but it'll only allow you 30 seconds in Facebook and 90 seconds on YouTube. Anything longer than that, you need a high speed computer or laptop. So other than that, there's nothing else happening here at the ranch. Pretty much we picked up most of the most of our fruits and vegetables. We still got a little bit of watermelon that's still coming up, and um, We planted some cotton and some and we did it this year. We did it this year for the first time. We planted sesame seeds, so that should be able to give us a good price on the sesame seeds. There's a demand for sesame seed. Um, and of course the cotton's not ready yet. The watermelon is ready, but we're slowly picking them in already. Watermelon season is over, but there's still good watermelons out there. But other than that, everything's been good and peachy, and um, we haven't had any more problems. And I want to thank you guys for watching these videos, and I appreciate you all looking at them and giving your comments and put a like down there. And if you want to subscribe. I do need a lot of subscribers. Um, it, you all have a great day, anyways.